What is a clinical trial protocol for brain conditions? Imagine you're about to start a journey to find better ways to treat brain diseases. A clinical trial protocol is like the detailed map guiding that journey. It is a carefully written plan that explains exactly how a clinical trial for brain conditions will be carried out. This includes everything from who can join the study to how the treatments are given and how results are measured. The goal is to make sure the trial is safe, ethical, and scientifically sound. The protocol begins by stating the main purpose of the study. For brain conditions, this could be testing a new treatment for brain tumors or understanding how a new diagnostic method works. It clearly defines what the trial aims to find out, such as whether a new drug is safe or if it helps slow disease progression. Next, it lists who can or cannot participate. For brain cancer trials, eligibility often depends on the type and stability of the disease. For example, patients with brain metastases that have been treated and are stable for at least 4 weeks might be included. However, those with active disease, recent seizures, or leptomeningeal involvement might be excluded to keep everyone safe and ensure clear results. The criteria also consider factors like age, overall health, and expected lifespan to balance safety and the ability to get meaningful data. The protocol then describes the study design. It explains whether it is a phase 1, 2, or 3 trial and details what treatments will be tested. For brain conditions, this might include specific doses of experimental drugs, how often they are given, and what tests are done before, during, and after treatment. Regular brain scans, neurological exams, and cognitive assessments are common to monitor how the disease and the treatment are progressing. Safety is a top priority. Because brain conditions can cause symptoms that overlap with side effects of treatments, the protocol includes special measures to tell the difference. This might involve scheduled brain imaging, neurological checks, and clear rules for stopping or adjusting treatment if adverse effects occur. These safety measures help protect participants and ensure that any risks are minimized. The protocol also defines how to measure whether the treatment works. Common outcomes include tumor shrinkage, how long patients live without the disease worsening, and improvements in brain function or quality of life. These outcome measures help researchers understand the real impact of the treatment on brain health. Ethical considerations are central. Participants must give informed consent, meaning they understand the risks and benefits before joining. The protocol explains how to handle vulnerable groups and ensures compliance with health regulations. It emphasizes transparency and respect for each person's rights. Finally, the protocol describes how data will be collected, stored, and analyzed. This ensures that the results are reliable and can be used to improve future treatments. For brain conditions, modern protocols often include advanced imaging and biomarker assessments to better understand how treatments affect the brain itself. In the world of brain cancer and neurological health, clinical trial protocols are designed to include a wide range of patients, reflecting real-world diversity. They are flexible enough to allow participation from those with stable brain metastases, for example, which helps make the results more applicable to everyday patients. These protocols also incorporate the latest technology to track how treatments influence the brain, aiming to develop safer and more effective therapies. Overall, a clinical trial protocol for brain conditions is a comprehensive guide that ensures research is conducted responsibly, ethically, and with scientific rigor. It is essential for discovering new treatments, improving patient care, and advancing our understanding of brain health. Always remember, if you or someone you know is considering participating in a trial, it's important to discuss it with healthcare professionals to understand all the benefits and risks involved.